Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to use Revit view editor, as that's what I call it. So in Revit, for those using Revit 2012 and above to 2020, if you look at the bottom of your Revit interface, there are some tools there. Many people don't really know how to use these tools. For those who don't know how to use it, today I want to show you how to use and manage these tools. So let's start with the first one here. If you look at the bottom here, these tools are here. The first one is your scale. Here you can actually change the scale of your view. Let's say default scale 1 to 100. So let's say scale 1 to 50. As you can see, some things have changed here. The wall still remains the same, but the text are not scaled, something like that. So as you can see, as we change your scale, you can actually change your scale to whatever you want. So as simple as that. Let's go back to scale 1 to 100. So another thing you can use here is your detail line. You can actually make your views fine, coarse, or medium, depending on whatever you prefer. Let's go to the next one. So here, this visual style gives you options. There are several ways to use it. You can actually view your work in wireframe. You can actually view it in hidden line. Actually view it in shaded, as you can see. You can actually view it in consistent color or realistic views, whatever works for you. This looks like pre-rendered. So let's go back to our hidden line. Depending on where you are working from, let's say the south elevation, let's use a hidden line. Let's use shaded, as you can see. So you can use wireframe. All the parts of the building are showing, like it's showing inside the building, everything inside. Let's use realistic, so you see the difference between all of them. This is like pre-render. You see how your work is even before you render. Let's go back to shaded. So the next one is your sum part. You can actually on your sum part or put it off. Actually set your sun settings, the azimuth and the altitude, whichever you like here. Still life, still single day, multi-day, whichever angle you want it to be. We can do a short example of that. First of all, let's put on our shadows. So when we go here, let's go to the sun setting. If I change this now, for example, to let's say 100, azimuth, altitude 10 degrees, you can see whatever you change here is to affect the way your building looks like. So let's go back. So you can actually, let's put that off. So let's go back to our floor plan. The next one is your crop view or not. You can actually crop your view, like the way you crop video in crop images in the way you normally crop your images actually. So when you say crop view, it will crop the view to a particular portion you want to see. Crop view, you actually crop it to whatever portion you want to view in the building. Then there's a crop region for that. So when you put it on show crop region, it will show you the region that is being cropped. This is where you drag and move to whatever region you want to crop it, whatever view. Maybe you just want to view only the floor plan, excluding other parts. They are still existing, but you just hide them for you to be able to see your plan very well. You can actually hide crop region, so the building looks, your whole interface looks seamless. so many other things. Let's go to this temporary hide wire. So you can select an element and temporarily hide it. Yes, just temporarily hide element. You can actually isolate, whichever works for you. You can do so many things there. Select an element, you can isolate element or isolate hide category, whichever one works for you. So I've hidden all my walls. I hid the whole category, that category of wall. So depending on what you want, let's say, sorry, let's do that again. You can select this. I hid the whole walls. Then you can actually hit this particular element, not the whole wall, the particular one I chose. So the shortcut for that is when you select a particular element, just type HH on your keyboard, it will hide it. Then there's a green banner around your view to show you that something is hidden, temporarily hidden, not permanently hidden. Then you can actually bring it back by typing HR. Yes, it will reveal, it will bring back whatever is hidden. So we also have reveal hidden elements or show. So there are some elements that you want to hide, you permanently hide, but they are still there. So we'll do an example of that. It's different from temporary hide. You can see the color has changed to a little more pink. So for example, I don't want this door at all to show. Not temporarily, I don't want it to show. Once you actually right click and say hidden element, hide in view, to actually hide this element, not the whole category. As you can see, even if I press HR, it won't come because it's like, let me say, permanently hidden. So for you to bring that back, you click on this reveal hidden element. You can see it's the only one highlighted. You can select it, right click, go back to unhide view, so you unhide the element. So then you say show, close reveal hidden element. So as you can see, so many tools you can use here. There are so many tools you can use here. When you select an element, you can actually select this and right click and say select instances visible in view. That is all the walls in the floor plan. I can select it all, then I can hide it all, but I selected only the ones in the view. So you can actually do that to help you in your daily activities, daily drawing. When you are drawing, to hide elements, to show the shadows and all that, it will make your work to be very, very fast and nice to work on. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe our page for more videos.